Oh my God.
Oh! I finally got my board on 20s.
Hello, Dan.
You judging my socks?
I'm judging.
Hey, comfort comes at a price.
That's true. What we got there, Dan?
We have some giant shopping cart wheels. How is this gonna go? Whoa, hold up, because if we...
I think it'll go like this,
Wait,
right?
when there's two, they're gonna go like this. Bang, bang, bang. Actually, it'll stay. Well, that happens. I don't know.
Hey, you guys. My name is Gabe Cruz. We're here today with Uzi Walker, and we have 4 of the largest shopping cart caster wheels in the entire world. So these 2, they actually do spin. These 2 do not. They only spin normally. These are fixed. So Uzi and I have a very important decision to make right now, whether we want the back 2 wheels to be stagnant or the front 2 wheels.
We're on the front.
Are you sure? Think about this. You only have one chance.
Well, we could just skate the board backwards.
That is true.
Let's see, if you have it in the front.
But the reason I have the bearings though is because these holes are too big for screws. So the bearings are like washers and risers.
I think I'll go get some screws. Yeah.
He stole my board, now I'm not going. These are literally the size of my head, and I have a substantially large head. Nigel makes sure to tell me every single day how big of a head I have. All right, Dan.
All right, then. I also got washers just in case.
These washers don't fit, sadly.
But if they fit with this, then we could do that.
Oh, Dan, a visionary.
Never mind. There was like a rap song that had that.
All right, so what is your decision here? Front or back?
Front. That way at least we can pop.
Theoretically.
Theoretically.
Do you need help?
Look at the physics on these. They're slanted backwards, so we gotta put them more forwards.
Thinking.
It's indeed. I wonder if these are long enough. I wonder if these bearings are gonna break. I wish we had, could you hold this with one hand, maybe? I'm gonna drill right into my leg.
You're not gonna put anything there to hold it though? Because the screw's not gonna hold it in.
You know what, I didn't get much sleep last night.
Maybe you have sleep apnea, Dan.
I don't know, I have sleep problems for sure. Is that even gonna work?
Yeah, dang.
Well, there's only one way to find out. These are the best washers I've ever seen. My leg! Just kidding.
Holy crap.
That's very nice.
Dude, that is freaking solid. Do one more of this diagonal one, we're good. Wow, that was extremely efficient.
It's kind of satisfying too.
It was.
Ow! No, I really did stop.
Oh, God.
There we go. This is actually how you build anything. If you want to use, you don't use washers, you use bearings. That's the way they do it. The professionals do it. NASCAR pit crews, they use bearings or washers.
Dude, that is completely solid.
Ow! Dude, when I built the tech deck board, I think, I had all these pieces of wood like this, and then I screwed them in, and I forgot I had the screws sticking through, and I went like this and set it on my knees super hard, and stabbed my legs all over the place. Whoa, 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 hey, whoa.
Or do you do one turned one and one regular one on each side? Will that counterbalance everything?
That, I don't know.
Dear God.
You know what?
Are they the same height though? Look at the height's different though. Dang it.
No, I think they're the same.
Oh, are they?
I think it's,
well, you just have to put them in like...
close enough. It's close enough.
Are you sure? Okay, wait, no, let's just do 1 and 1. Because then at least they're meant to be like that.
Oh, because look at it, because it's slanted. That's of course, but... Well, look.
My OCD is just dying.
All right, then. Well, let's go for double turning.
It's the largest lazy Susan.
Feels like I'm sinning. Feels like I'm doing something bad. It's giving us the look.
Wow. Professional. I've never seen such a display of builderosity.
Builderification. We're fortifying this here build. Why am I talking like that?
Look at that solidity.
I'm scared, like these things whip around. Dude, this is so heavy.
Oh my God. This has piqued my fascination.
I don't know if it's a good or a bad way, but... Dude, you could... If those screws were on your leg with all that weight...
Ugh. Why are you so heavy?
This is the dumbest looking contraption. I think I hear Nigel. But yeah, can you hold that? Don't let it go. Don't let this half of the board flip because then it'll stab my legs. And I don't really like getting stabbed in the legs, you know? I would rather not. Like people, hey, would you want to get stabbed in the legs? Not really.
You know, some people would be like, yeah, I'm down. Not me. Not one of those people.
Yeah, no, I usually pass on that kind of thing.
Never one.
Just gonna do this one because it's close to me. And matter of fact, why don't I just screw in the other one with one?
Oh!
I'll screw in the other one with one screw, and then I will
Gotta make sure they're straight
put
too.
the other screw. The best we can do is the best we can do, you know? Can you imagine if I just screwed into my leg right there? That would,
Dude, that looks crazy.
Got one more. Line it up nice and lined up like.
Now you just gotta take the screws out.
I'm very scared to flip this over. Oh my god. It can like turn, look, it stops.
Dude, that's awesome. All right, let's get those screws out.
This thing is wild.
Death trap.
I always hate doing this because I feel like I'm gonna get a piece of my eye.
Man, this thing is a tank. Oh!
It is a tank. Dang, I wish we had 4 wheels that didn't move.
What if we like hack it?
How can we hack it?
I don't know.
Ah! Why am I wearing sandals?
Oh, there you go. You know what it is. You know what it is.
I finally got my board on 20s, Uzi. Let's go. Oh, I got the ramps. I got the VVS's. You know what I'm saying?
Like a tricycle for skaters.
Nah, B.
Wait, you just had them in the back, right?
Oh!
They're a little squirrely.
Let's go. Game of SK8, full park. Let's run it.
SK8?
Yep.
Doing paper, rock, scissors,
Yeah,
or just...
let's go.
I mean, I don't need to play skate, do I?
You ain't never had a little foot grip?
What have I done?
Dan, you were just the king of messing this up right now.
It's perfect.
The only problem is that I think you zip tied them the wrong way. All right, you guys ready? Rochambeau?
I'm gonna be the judge, can I?
I'm the judge.
I know, I tried to escape.
You're the cameraman. I'm the judge. And today we have two.
And we have
we have two
look,
finalists, and we got his name, Uzi.
You're the judge, I'm the announcer, he's the camera guy, he's the talent.
All right, 3-way Rochambeau.
Redo. I did paper.
Again.
You're first.
This is, how did we, you know what, let's like, here's the goal we were trying to accomplish. We just barely missed, and then we're way off.
All right, who's first?
Me.
That was actually incredible. All right, you're second? It's full park too. You can do anything you want.
Nollie Hill.
Oh!
Can't even nollie shove it.
Come on, old Braille Dan, show him how it's done. That thing just shook the ground.
Ain't no joke. Ain't no joke, brother.
Can we put them on the right way? Just cut the zip tie, flip it around. All right, can we get 2 more zip ties? Zip tie guy.
So they gotta be like this.
Oh, dang.
All of a sudden, I don't know how to put a zip tie.
All of a sudden.
I finally found the hole.
Let's go, Mo.
Okay, we're good.
That looks good. All right, you're up.
My turn?
Yeah, you take it on that first test run.
Hold on, let me try it like that.
Oh, that's money.
Going off the tip.
Oh my God. That's the wrong way though. Oh wait, no it's not, no it's not. I don't know. Woo!
Yeah, you see me, bruh.
This is ridiculous. How did he do this?
Oh my God. Wait, Dan, what are you doing? Wait, you gotta roll off it. It was Glow's trick. It was Glow's trick. Yeah, you gotta roll off it.
Oh, God.
Woo! Oh! Judge? Judge? Is that a letter, Dan?
No, that counts.
Oh, all right.
Controversial.
You got lucky.
Aussie gate.
Didn't I made something like this,
Yeah.
and I don't know where it went.
I don't know.
Actually, you know what?
Yeah, man.
All right, your trick.
All right, get off the board, man.
Hey, now you know drop-in's possible.
Why do we have this?
I'm gonna skate it.
I am not skating this, but I like it.
Oh!
I'm about to get crushed. Yeah, I ain't going with that. Yeah. I'm gonna go with the double ramp.
Okay.
A little double.
No,
double
down, flat, down.
Little roller coaster.
See that?
Yeah.
Well, you think you got that? You're not even stressed on it?
This whole board is stressful.
Just know one day I'll be on your spicy pepper show. Andy Shark added me on Facebook.
Did he?
Yeah, that's like the most random thing because like I feel like nobody uses Facebook.
That's an honor.
It's like I literally made me and a friend have a feeling that MySpace is gonna come back. So I went and made a new MySpace account. So just saying it.
It's too easy, Dan.
Looks really good.
Isn't that pretty impressive?
Yeah.
All right. What's next?
Oh, not with that attitude? Try to get me to do an ollie on the hip right here, but I told him honestly, I can't get enough speed. I'm not gonna send it.
What did you do?
I was like ollie the hip, and then he's like, nah, and then I said something and it made him mad.
That could count, honestly. I was messed up.
Uh-oh.
I was trying to go pop the ollie and it just...
All right, Mo, your turn.
All right, roll off the little drop.
You're nuts. Woo! No, you broke it!
Hey, then that's game.
Dan, we need some repair screws.
You see, no warranty guarantee right there. There's no 30-day warranty. I can't provide nothing.
There's the Braille warranty. You know what that warrants?
What is it?
Life.
You're dropping hammers.
All right, Dan. Dan, it's your turn.
Do I have to do something that someone else did?
You can do whatever you want. It's a game of skate.
What is wrong with you, Dan?
Bro, why are you slacking, Dan?
What you mean? You think
Let's
I'm
go,
slacking?
Dan.
You really want to see?
I want to see some wine dance. Hey,
Hold up, I didn't pop.
he didn't pop. I'll give it to him.
Oh, you guys are playing skate?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, if he lands that, you can tag me in. That's okay. I'm all right.
What?
Yes, special guest
You
appearance.
can tag both of you. I'll get 2 tries on it.
My friend, Nigel.
Hold up. Somebody push me.
Come on, Dan.
Somebody push me. Push you? I got you, fam. Let me see that.
Tag. He got my spot.
What?
He got my spot.
What? There's no substitutions here. Oh no! Broke again. Which one broke? Uh-oh, the one I just fixed. Mowgli, if you try to get out of this game one more time.
I'm not trying to get out. The board is trying to get out.
The board's not done yet. We got an Aussie Dan. I got the screws right here.
This went all the way through?
Yes.
It was sticking out?
Yes. No, we broke it off.
Oh. I was like,
Mowgli won a $5 Venmo bet from me for front lipping it first try.
He won it?
Yeah.
Wow.
all right.
Oh! All right, go ahead.
Back to the drop.
If you break it again, you automatically win.
No way.
No, he wants that. He don't want to play anymore. He's trying to lose.
No, it just. Maggie.
All right, you
lost
fix it.
faith.
You fix it then.
I didn't create this. I was in the middle of working, making some beautiful skateboards for some children, and then Santa took me out of the workshop, and now I'm here.
Because this is your workshop. Can you get a rebate?
Well,
Yeah,
you
we
gave
can get a rebate.
Nigel and Uzi a rebate, and they didn't try it.
Since you want this video to end, I'm gonna end it on a high note, and I'm gonna.
I didn't say that. I was trying to land a trick for my turn.
I'm interrupting y'all's game. I'm gonna land this for the culture, even with the spike in it. You heard me? Nah, I'm gonna do it with the spike in it. You heard me? Hey, but I almost landed it, alright? That exploded.
Oh my god! It's like so heavy, it just explodes off the 3 block.
I got you $20 Venmo if you take it down the 3 block.
Hey,
I'm
that's
alright.
$80
No,
right
no.
there.
Come on, you got $80.
I'm alright.
Hey, I'll give you $1 million right now.
No. I'm trying to
Give you a
live.
hundo. go.
I'm trying to live.
All right, $10 down the 5 stair.
$20 down to 5
I'll
stairs.
give you $10 down the 5 stair.
You can smile.
You're gonna give the camera to Dan. I'm gonna rebuild it better, and then we'll get it down the 5 stair.
Put it with 4 screws in each.
I got it. Dan's gonna do it down the 5.
If Nigel lands the 3, I'll try the 5. But we gotta have 4 screws in each thing so it doesn't blow up.
Can we get clean up on aisle workbench?
I'll be back, baby girl. I'm gonna go get some food. You got this?
Of course I got
You
it.
gonna handle this? You don't need my assistance?
No.
None of my assistance?
Good.
Okay.
I'm jacked, yo.
Hey, if you want to see a game of skate with me and somebody from Braille, Glass Skateboard, blow it up right now, please. I would love to play somebody a game of skate, Glass Skateboard. Just, we have to make this happen. That's never been done. I know it's gonna be a limited amount of tries because we only have one now. It's right here. And then the person that breaks the board loses.
Well, I'm not gonna be able to get them on these 2, so that's about as good as we're gonna get.
Dude, that's,
I need your assistance.
oh my God.
You're dead. That screw put up a fight. Now he's melted into the grip.
All right, Dan.
Down the 5.
Down the
I
5.
said if Nigel hits the 3.
You already
Nigel's
did hit
not
the
here.
3.
He didn't land it.
No, I built this for you to take it down the 5.
I specifically said if Nigel lands the 3,
You
then I'll try the
specifically
5.
said you'll try it.
No, I said if Nigel lands the 3. I'll try the 3, but I ain't trying the 5. I ain't committing.
Oh my God!
It was extra grip.
You're just gonna leave that on there?
Yeah, look. Grip.
All right.
Them 20-inch rings.
Man, you got it. Come on, hit the 5, dude. Please, you
You
got
hit the
this.
5.
You
with it.
got this.
You hit the 5.
You got this. I built this.
If there's one thing I know about you, Dad, it's that you like seeing people risk getting destroyed.
I don't
What?
like seeing people get destroyed. I like seeing good content. Dang it, 2 bearings broke. You know what that means though? That if only 1 bearing fell off, that means it can go down to 5.
I like having all my limbs functioning.
There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you should learn how to skateboard. We have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.